Hello dear students. So in today's class we will see a few more problems on the session of the integral surfaces passing through the given curve. So today the first question is find the integral surface of x minus y into p plus y minus x minus z into q equal to z. Through the circle z equal to 1, x square plus y square equal to 1. So first we will find the general integral of the given PDE. So the auxiliary equation is dx by x minus y equal to dy by y minus x minus z equal to dz by z. Now let me take dx plus dy. So in denominator you will have minus z. So that is equal to dz by z. So that is going to give me minus of dx plus dy equal to dz. So on integrating you will get minus x plus y equal to z plus c1. Okay. Or I can write it as x plus y plus z equal to c1. And now I am going to use substitution for getting the second solution. So let me take dy and dz. So dy by y minus x plus z equal to dz by z. So here you have dy and dz. So we need to replace x. Okay, so this equation x plus z will be c1 minus y. So you will get dy by y minus c1 minus y equal to dz by z. So this gives y minus c1 plus y. So 2y minus c1. Now this is in variable separable form. You can integrate it. So on integrating you will get log 2y minus c1 by 2 equal to log z plus log c2. So I can take 1 by 2 inside log. The root of 2y minus c1 equal to c2 z will be the second integral curve. So it's obtained by taking exponentials on both sides. So that is 2y minus c1 equal to, so I'll square. So c2 square ana. So I'm going to again write it as c2 because it's arbitrary. Okay, so 2y minus c1 equal to c2 z square. Now replace for c1. So that is going to give the second solution as y minus x minus z by z square equal to c2. So therefore these are the two solutions, y minus x minus z by z square equal to c2 and x plus y plus z equal to c1. Now the given curve is the circle x square plus y square equal to 1 on z equal to 1. So now give the substitution. Okay. So here I will substitute z equal to 1. So on substituting z equal to 1, you are going to get y minus x equal to c2 plus 1 and y plus x equal to c1 minus 1. Okay. Here instead of taking parametric representation, so what we do is we need to obtain a relation involving c1 and c2. So here I will obtain the relation by eliminating x and y. Okay. So you have c1 minus 1 equal to y plus x and c2 plus 1 equal to y minus x. Now we have this relation. So 2x square plus y square is equal to x plus y the whole square plus y minus x the whole square. So this simplify cheyumbo you are going to get 2 x square plus y square. Okay, so now x plus y can be replaced as c1 minus 1. അതുപോലെ y minus x can be replaced by c2 plus 1, and from the given curve x square plus y square is equal to 1. So that will give me a relation connecting c1 and c2. So you will get 2 equal to c1 minus 1 whole square plus c2 plus 1 whole square. So in simplifying, so you will get c1 square plus c2 square minus 2 c1 plus 2c2 equal to 0. So on substituting for c1 and c2, so you will obtain the equation of the form y plus x plus 1 whole square plus y minus x minus 1 whole square into minus 2 plus minus 2 into 2x plus 2 equal to 0. So this is the required integral surface. Now the second question is, find the general integral of 2xy minus 1 into p plus z minus 2x square into q equal to 2 into x minus yz, and also the particular integral passing through the line x equal to 1 and y equal to 0. So here if I take the multipliers, so I have skipped a few steps here, so please try it out by yourself. So if I take the multipliers z1 and x, so when you take zp plus q plus x into r, that is going to be 0. So that is going to give me the differential z dx plus dy plus x dz equal to 0. So on integrating, you are going to get xz plus y equal to c1. So that is the first solution. Now similarly, when you take the multipliers to be x, y and 1 by 2, so again 0 varum. So xp plus yq plus 1 by 2, r is equal to 0. So you will get x dx plus y dy plus 1 by 2 dz equal to 0, which can be simplified as 2x dx plus 2y dy plus dz equal to 0. So on integrating, you will get x square plus y square plus z equal to c2. So you have two solutions, so u equal to c1 and v equal to c2. Now we need to, so the general integral will be f of xz plus y and x square plus y square plus z equal to 0. Now for finding the particular integral, you have x equal to 1 and y equal to 0. If x equal to 1 and y equal to 0 is substitute here. So you are going to get 1 plus z equal to c2, and from here z equal to c1. So that gives me a relation 1 plus c1 equal to c2. Now substitute back c1 and c2. So that gives the required particular integral. So this is going to be the particular integral. Next question. Need to find the integral surface of the PDE x minus y into y square p plus y minus x into x square q equal to x square plus y square into z, passing through the curve xz equal to a cube and y equal to 0. So the auxiliary equation is dx by x minus y into y square equal to dy by y minus x into x square equal to dz by x square plus y square into z. So I'll be taking dx and dy first. Because x minus y cancel out, you are getting in variable separable form. So you will get dy by y square equal to dx by y square equal to dy by minus x square. So that is x square dx equal to minus y square dy. On integrating, you will get x cube by 3 equal to minus y cube by 3 equal to c1 plus c1. So this is going to be the first solution. So x cube plus y cube equal to c1. Now for finding the second solution, so I'll take dx minus dy. So here you will get x minus y into y square minus x square. Okay, x minus y common edukumbo, you are going to get x square plus y square. Okay, so equal to dz by x square plus y square into z. So x square plus y square will cancel off here. So you can write it as dx minus dy by x minus y equal to dz by z. So on integrating you will get log x minus y equal to log z plus log c2. So that gives the solution x minus y by z equal to c2. So therefore the general integral is f of x cube plus y cube x minus y by z equal to 0. Now we need to find the particular solution. So with the conditions, so which is passing through the curve y equal to 0 and xz equal to a cube. So let me take z equal to t. So x will be a cube by t. Now on substituting, so we have these two equations. X cube plus y cube equal to c1 and x minus y by z equal to c2. So on substituting, you will get the equations a raised to 9 by t cube equal to c1 and a cube by t all divided by t equal to c2. So equation in the, so from the second equation here I am finding the value of t and substitute that in the first one. So on simplifying, you are going to get a raised to 9 c2 cube equal to c1 square. Now substitute back c1 and c2. So that gives me a raised to 9 into x minus y whole cube equal to z cube into x cube plus y cube whole square. And the last question, you need to find the integral surface of 2y into z minus 3p plus 2x minus z cube equal to y into 2x minus 3. Passing through the circle, z equal to 0 and x square plus y square equal to 2x. So first you need to solve for the integral equation. I am taking the first and last ratios. So I will get the first solution in the form using variable separable integrate area. First solution x square minus z square minus 3x plus 6z equal to c1 varum. For the second solution, I will take the multipliers to be 0, 1 and minus 1 by y and equating it to the first ratio. So we will get the second solution to be x into 2z minus y square plus c2. Okay. So these are the two solutions. Now I'll substitute the curve now. For parametric representation, I am taking x equal to t and y equal to root of 2t minus t square and z is equal to 0. So on substitution, we will get t square minus 3t equal to c1 and 3t minus t square equal to c2. So when you take c1 plus c2, that will be 0. So on substituting c1 and c2 again, so that gives the required integral surface. So this is the required integral surface. Thank you.